Testing malfunctioning electronic devices with a traditional multimeter is a hassle. Dials, switches, tethered leads, and technical jargon add complexity and difficulty. And keeping track of measurements can be a real pain as well. Now there's an easier way. Introducing Vion, the world's simplest Bluetooth multimeter. Vion simplifies testing electronics for malfunctions. It can automatically measure electrical output and send data to smartphones. And the Vion app provides you a live feed of all the electrical measurements taken with Vion. Vion's unibody design makes it lightweight and easy to store, perfect for your workshop, your home, or your car. Connect Vion to your smartphone using Bluetooth and measure values in real time. Vion reads back stored measurements through voice guidance, so you don't have to worry about looking down at your phone. Vion gives you a simple good or bad result indicator, so you'll know right away in real time if your device is working properly. Vion has colored LEDs built into the handles for quick visual reference as well, flashing lights for connectivity status. Use Vion to check if your batteries are running low, if your electronic devices are working correctly, or if there are wiring problems in your home. Vion caters toward both experts and novices, and supports most functions found on traditional multimeters, so contractors and electricians can use it on the job, as well as a boy trying to fix his RC car. Reading measurements that Vion collects is easy, but for those who like data, you can review all the detailed information displayed in the Vion app. You can automatically detect the error of the device and have the measurements saved on the application. Vion is the easiest and safest way to troubleshoot problems with electronic devices. Vion eliminates the hassle and expenses of calling for repair services. Anyone can easily use it for countless situations. Unlike other multimeters, Vion has no body, making its paired probes easy to store and carry. Vion, the world's simplest Bluetooth multimeter.